Hey, my name is Christine and I'm hanging out with
Steve Rosenberg.
This is the second event that I get to share this wonderful room with Steven. He's been in the business for how long?
About 20 years.
Awesome. And I've been in it since probably about the same, since 2004. I was asking him, why do you think investors fail?
Well, I think investors fail for many reasons. I would say the biggest reason that I've seen investors fail over the years is they don't start with the end in mind, meaning they don't start with the destination. So many people, they think just getting a deal or getting into real estate, it's kind of like just saying, I'm going to get on the freeway. When you get on the freeway, you're going to a destination.
Right.
But many times when people do investing or start a business or whatever it is they do, they don't really think about their destination, and then they don't work it backwards. So, the destination is the end result, and that's done by having metrics and KPIs and things like that towards the goal. So if I ask people what's the goal, they can't tell me. And they say it's to flip houses or it's to wholesale or it's to this. It's like that's the strategy. That's not the goal. So learning definitions, number one, is important, of understanding what is a goal and make it an actual date where it's like January 1st, 2025, I will have $20 million in assets. I will be getting $5,000 a month in passive income. Specific. Because if you don't have the specifics, how are you going to get there? If you can't tell me where you're going to go, how can I help you? How can I tell you what you're doing wrong? Because you need to know that first. So I would say that not having the destination is the number one reason most investors and business owners fail.